next awardee, the Best Reporter Political Telugu, which goes to Mangamuri Srinivasu from Nadu. Congratulations. Can we have Srinivas Garu please joining us on stage?
My name is Mangamuri Srinivas, Nadu Senior Principal Correspondent. I am writing on news on political and finance and energy, power sectors and agriculture. Earlier I wrote on agriculture, marketing, animal husbandry, housing, etc. I am working journalist since 1994, 32 years completed, still working. I got this award from on political reporting and general reporting. I am very happy. జర్నలిస్ట్కి అవార్డు ఇవ్వడం చాలా సంతోషకరమైన అంశం. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.